Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best basil pods are probably one of the most convenient and rewarding ways to bring fresh, aromatic basil right into your kitchen, regardless of your gardening experience or the season. Imagine snipping vibrant green leaves for your favorite pasta dishes, pizzas, or caprese salads, all grown effortlessly in your own home. These pods are designed to germinate quickly and provide a continuous harvest, making them a fantastic addition for any home cook or herb enthusiast looking to elevate their culinary creations with the unparalleled flavor of homegrown basil. Number 5. AeroGarden Harvest Indoor Garden. Experience abundant harvests all year round with this indoor hydroponic system. It allows you to grow your favorite vegetables, herbs, or flowers in water, completely mess-free. This compact countertop garden can accommodate up to 6 different live plants simultaneously. Its spacious design allows plants to grow up to 12 inches tall. Featuring a full-spectrum 20W LED grow light, it mimics natural sunlight. This helps your plants germinate up to 5 times faster than they would in soil. The intuitive touch-sensitive control panel provides simple operation. It conveniently reminds you when to add water and plant food for a hassle-free gardening experience. This system comes complete with a 20W LED grow light, power adapter, and liquid plant food. It also includes a gourmet herb seed pod kit with popular herbs like basil, parsley, dill, thyme, and mint. What we like? This system makes indoor gardening incredibly simple, even for beginners. It automatically manages light cycles and reminds you when to add water and nutrients. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to grow fresh herbs or small vegetables year-round without any gardening experience, this is a great choice. What people say. This thing is great. It does everything it says and more, is easy to use, and will give me fresh greens all winter. This grows so fast that the greenery from my first round blocked the light from getting to the later plantings. The light is really, really bright. Pick a place where it's easy to walk to from the kitchen with a bowl and scissors, but not in your face where it could get irritating. Number 4. Back to the Roots Organic Mini Mushroom Grow Kit. Discover the joy of growing your own delicious oyster mushrooms right in your kitchen. It's a fun and rewarding experience for everyone. Our kit uses only organic and non-GMO ingredients, so you can be sure you're growing healthy, natural food. Enjoy them fresh in your favorite recipes. Enjoy fresh mushrooms no matter the season. Simply place the kit near a window, mist it daily, and watch them grow in about a week. You don't need a green thumb for this. Just open the box, spray daily, and harvest your own mushrooms in just 10 days. It's that simple. Looking for a unique gift? This kit is beautifully packaged and perfect for foodies, gardeners, and eco-conscious friends. Plus, your purchase helps donate a kit to a classroom. We're confident you'll love growing your own mushrooms. It's made in the USA and guaranteed to grow, or we'll send you a replacement. What we like? This kit is perfect for those who want to try growing something new with minimal effort. It's organic, requires just misting, and yields delicious mushrooms quickly. If you're a foodie, enjoy unique gifts, or want a fun, fast-growing project, this is ideal for you. What people say. They grow very fast overnight they double in size. These were super easy to grow and they grow so big so fast. Super easy to use and grow. I got confused on position to lay box. In the picture of the ad it's displayed sitting upright but didn't quite seem right to grow that way so I left on its back. Instructions were unclear. Otherwise, it was easy to grow and fun to do with the kids. They also tasted delicious. Number 3. AeroGarden Bounty Elite Indoor Garden. Introducing the AeroGarden Bounty Elite, a revolutionary indoor garden that brings fresh herbs, veggies, and flowers right to your home. Grow up to 9 varieties simultaneously with ease. Experience growth up to 5 times faster than traditional outdoor gardening. Our 50W adjustable LED grow light provides the perfect full spectrum of light your plants need to thrive. Effortlessly manage your garden with an automatic timer for lighting and a digital touchscreen. It displays vital stats and reminds you when to add water and plant food. Stay connected with Wi-Fi and Alexa compatibility. Monitor and control your garden from anywhere using the AeroGarden app or your Amazon Echo device. This sleek, stainless steel model features a larger water bowl and grow deck. Its vacation mode ensures your plants remain healthy even when you're away. Enjoy the taste and beauty of homegrown produce year-round. It's the perfect solution for anyone seeking convenience and freshness in their kitchen. What we like. This is the ultimate indoor gardening powerhouse, capable of growing a wide variety of plants. Its smart features, like Wi-Fi and Alexa compatibility, offer advanced control and monitoring. If you're a tech-savvy gardener who wants to grow a larger selection of herbs and vegetables with maximum convenience and efficiency, this is the one to consider. What people say. It actually tells you exactly what to do, and when. There's no guessing, no forgetting anything, etc. It's just so easy. The base platform has been increased and is now so big and has 9 planting areas, that it's so sturdy and stable enough to support growing vegetables. All of the pods germinated within the first week, even those that were labeled as taking 2 to 3 weeks to germinate. Number 2. INBLOOM Organic Salad Green Seed Pod Kit. Introducing the INBLOOM Organic Salad Green Seed Pod Kit. Easily grow a variety of delicious and low-calorie greens and tomatoes right at home. This kit features fast lettuce, butter lettuce, red cherry tomato, and golden cherry tomato seeds. Enjoy more seeds for more exciting salad combinations. Our seed kits are designed to work with AeroGarden, AeroGarden, and other hydroponic systems. Start harvesting your own high-quality food with ease. We use only premium, non-GMO seeds to ensure quality and health. Grow your own food indoors with confidence, knowing it's secure and safe. This comprehensive kit includes seeds, grow baskets, sponges, domes, protective stickers, and plant food. We make growing simple and fun for everyone. Your satisfaction is our priority. We offer excellent customer service to assist you on your gardening journey. Contact us with any questions. What we like. This kit is designed for those who love fresh salads and want to grow their own ingredients. It offers a variety of lettuce and tomato seeds, providing a continuous supply of healthy, low-calorie food. If you're looking for a convenient way to grow a diverse mix of salad components and enjoy homegrown produce, this kit is a fantastic option. What people say. Germinated my seed for 2 years from this pack and they are doing great. You get a lot of seeds per vegetable pack. The germination rate was outstanding, almost every seed sprouted within a week. Most of the seeds started sprouting within the first few days. Number 1. INBLOOM Asian Herb Seed Pod Kit. Start your indoor herb garden with ease. This kit provides everything you need, including a variety of Asian herb seeds, growing essentials, and plant food. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced gardeners. Our plant pods are designed to work seamlessly with popular hydroponic systems like AeroGarden and INBLOOM. They are also ideal for transplanting when your plants are ready. We take pride in our locally sourced seeds, all of which are organic, heirloom, and GMO-free. Enjoy high germination rates for a beautiful and effortless planting experience. The durable grow baskets are made from high-quality ABS for repeated use. Our biodegradable peat grow sponges ensure optimal nutrients and moisture for healthy plant development. Give the gift of fresh herbs year-round. It's a wonderful present for family and friends who love gardening, perfect for birthdays, Mother's Day, or Christmas. What we like. This kit is perfect for culinary enthusiasts who want to explore authentic Asian flavors. It provides a diverse selection of popular Asian herbs, all organic and non-GMO, with high germination rates. If you enjoy cooking with fresh herbs and want to easily grow a variety of unique ingredients right in your home, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Every single seed type this came with germinated and now I have an AeroGarden full of huge, healthy herbs. The pods fit my AeroGarden perfectly, the fertilizers clearly work and the seeds are clearly fantastic quality. The plants grow super fast and are given light on a timer. Product does exactly what it states. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.